Okay, guys, today I'm going to take you through the answers for your Google Slides scavenger hunt. Here we go. The first slide said, change the background of this slide to a beach scene. I notice a background button up here, but remember, if you just can't find it, we always go to help. And you can just start typing in background and you'll see it, okay? Change background. Now it said to a beach scene, so it sounds like you're going to have to go choose an image, right? Can't just choose a color. It wants an actual picture. So we're going to click choose image. And here's some ideas, but we can go search on Google for image and we can search for a beach. And there's beach background, and then we can choose whichever one we want. We can click on it and click insert, and you just did that. You're done with that one, right? Then we go into the next one. Change the theme of this presentation and add orange text to this slide explaining your choice. So first of all, change the theme. I see a theme button here, but once again, if you can't find it, we go to help and type in theme, okay? I'm going to click theme, and you'll notice some themes over here that you can choose from, okay? You can choose any one you want. I'm going to choose this one because green's my favorite color. So I'm going to click it, and it should change the theme for all your slides. You'll notice it didn't really change all these, but that's because they don't have anything on them right now, okay? But this said change the theme and add orange text explaining your choice. So I may have to go here and say, I chose this theme because I like green. But it also said to make it orange text, right? So I'm going to highlight that text and come up here to the color and change it to orange. Now I'm done with that one. Next one. Create a Venn diagram below to compare and contrast the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Use the Explore tool to find your information. All right, a Venn diagram is two circles. So I know I'm going to have to use some shapes. Okay, I'm going to click Shapes. I'm going to choose Circles, and I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to create one, and then I could just go create another one, or I could do Command C to copy the one I just created and Command V to make another one, and then just bring it over here. Okay. Now what I would have to do is change the background of these guys to be transparent like this little paint thing, and do transparent so we could see, okay? And then we would use the Explore tool to find our information about Pacific and Atlantic. So we could say Pacific Ocean. Oops, I don't know what I pressed just now. Hold up. Hold on. I don't know what I did. All right, sorry. Pacific Ocean. And we could just say is the largest and deepest of Earth's, okay? So we can say, we can like insert a text box right here and say Pacific Ocean. Then we can insert another text box right here and say Atlantic Ocean, okay? And then this said that it was, and anytime you want to put text, you have to insert a text box. I did insert text box. You could also press the button right here, okay? And Pacific Ocean, we said we can say is the deepest because that's what it said over here, okay? Maybe I'll go and look up Atlantic Ocean. And it says it's second largest. So this one's the deepest, the Atlantic Ocean. Let's go put a text box. We can say, oops, undo. I don't know what I did. Let's do this again. Text box right here. We can say second largest. Okay. And then in a Venn diagram, you know what goes in the middle is things that are the same, right? So let's put in one more text box in here, and let's just say something silly like they're both wet. Okay. You just created a Venn diagram. It's great. Okay. You use the Explore tool to find your information, okay? Number 5, make this slide black and insert a picture of a location anywhere in the world that's on your travel bucket list. So first we need to make this slide black, right? Probably background and choose a color, right? And there's black, and we've just done it. Now it wants a picture of a location anywhere in the world. I'm all about Hawaii. So I'm gonna go to my Explore tool again, type in Hawaii, and then go to images, and I'm all about this one. I double clicked on it, and bam, there it is on my slide. Wait, insert, sorry. And there it is on my slide, okay? Next one. Use the big number layout to tell me what percentage of your time in summer was spent with friends, okay? I'm gonna see what big number is. I don't even know what that is. Click on help. I mean, I do, but if you didn't, look at this. Big number, layout, big number. I'm gonna click it, and whoa. Look what it did. It just added this, and I'll say 90%. Okay, next one. Use Scribble to draw a picture of your favorite food item. You say, what's Scribble? Well, again, we can go to help and say Scribble, Scribble. Oh, look at that. All right, and now I can draw my favorite food item, and it's pizza. Whoops. Command Z. Oops, okay, now let me click Scribble again, and then I can go like this and like this, okay, and then click it again and do a little circle. Click it again in a circle, because those are pepperonis. I mean, they're ugly, but they're pepperonis, okay? Scribble, scribble, scribble. Good, and I did it. Next one. Describe your favorite summer experience in Quattrocento font and build a transition into this slide. Okay, so first of all, I need to describe my summer experience. I need to insert a text box, put a big one here. I had a great summer, mostly indoors with my family. Oh my goodness, can't type today. Family due to COVID. But it said it wants it in Quattrocento font, but someone showed me the other day that it's not there anymore, or it wasn't on theirs. These are usually in alphabetical order, and I don't see it here anymore. So you can choose whatever font you want. I just needed to know you knew how to do a font. I'm going to go Happy Monkey. Okay, all right. And then build a transition into this slide. You say, I don't know what a transition is. Once again, I see it here, but you can go to help and type in transition. Okay. Here, what kind of transition? That means what's the slide going to do when you come to it? I'm going to say I like it to cube. If you want to know what that's going to do, just click play. And that's what it's going to do. All right? So that's it. You can click X. You've put a transition on the slide. All right? Next one. Use this slide to create a collage of tilted and overlapping images of your favorite things. So, I mean, mostly we're going to be inserting pictures, right? So we go to Insert, Image. And we can say search the web. And so just a bunch of pictures of your favorite things. I'm going to say basketball. Okay, I'll put that there. Another one of my favorite things is the Dallas Cowboys. I'm going to put that there. Another thing is the Dallas Mavericks. Okay, and I love Dirk, so I'm going to put Dirk here. You get the idea. Just wanted to know you knew how to put in the images. You can make them a little smaller if you want, like this. Like this. Move this over. Make Dirk a little smaller, even though he's really tall. But it did say overlapping, so we could always overlap them like this and like that. So you get the idea. Okay? All right, next one. Find your favorite music video on YouTube and insert that video into this slide. All right. Favorite music video so I know I'm going to insert a video, right? So I'm going to go insert video, and I'm going to go to YouTube as soon as it comes up, and there it is. I can search YouTube. I can say my favorite video is Mavs highlights, and search and see if I can find it. And then coach, let's see, Clippers versus Mavericks highlights. I'm going to like that one, so I double click it, and there's my video. That easy. Okay, next one. Make a bulleted list of your top 5 favorite movies. Okay, so we're going to have to do a text box again, right? Okay. Now, bulleted list means right up here. Here's a numbered list, but we want bulleted. Okay, so top 5 favorite movies. We could say Lone Wolf, McQuaid, Cars, The Little Mermaid. I'm just thinking of the first ones that come to my mind. Oliver and Company, and oh gosh, Passenger 57. Those are my top 5. And animate your list so they appear one click at a time in presentation mode. Okay, so we would have to do this. We would have to get each one and go to say animate. I'm looking for animate. Sorry, it's not that. Maybe I right click, or let's just go help then. I don't remember where it is. Animate. Okay, maybe we have to animate the whole thing. Yes. Okay, so we're going to have to actually add each of these in to animate the whole box. Okay. Actually, look, we can we can highlight what we want to animate and click animate. And then just say we want it to fade in on click. That's fine. And it'll look like this when you do. When you click, that whole thing will fade in. Okay? Cool? All right, cool. Use word art to articulate one goal you have for yourself this year. Okay, I don't know what word art is. Let me go look. Word art. Okay, insert word art. Oh, one goal I have this year is to do better in school. And there it goes. There's word art. And you can change it. You can change the size. You can change the colors. You can do all kinds of stuff to it. Okay? All right. Insert a picture of yourself, add a thought bubble, and ask a question you have about this class. All right. Insert image. I don't know if I have a picture of myself right now. I guess I can search the web and see if I'm on the web. And there's a bunch of Fernando Sanchez's. Maybe I want to be more specific. Waxahachie. No. How about Fernando Sanchez Midlothian? Nope. Well, let's pretend this is me. I'll let you, so I don't take too much time. Let's pretend this is me. That is not me, okay? But that's me. And add a thought bubble. Oh, interesting. Add a thought bubble. I wonder if that's in the help menu. Thought bubble. Nope. Okay, so I'm going to have to make it myself. Sounds to me like just use a shape, right? And actually, if I look around, I bet you I'll find a thought bubble in here. There's callouts. Look at that. There's a thought bubble right there. Okay. Question about this class. Should I do my best? I would hope so. All right, thought bubble. Okay. And then finally, create a bar graph where the y-axis and list your main after-school activities and or other time commitments. X-axis show number of minutes of day. So I'm going to go like this. Help. A bar graph. Let's see. Bar graph. I don't see bar graph, but I can just type in graph. Okay, custom line and paragraph spacing. Okay. So how can we, maybe under insert. Insert shape. Oh, look. Insert a chart. Oh, a bar. It's inserting it. Oh, and now we can go do what it says, okay? You can put in the ones you want. We said, okay, one here and down there. All right? I think you're good.